Okay, so rootless voicings on F. Rootless voicings on F. So we are going to do 6 to 5 1. 6 to 5 1 on F sharp. I mean not F. F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B flat, F and B, C sharp, E flat, F and C sharp. Okay. Okay. So 6. Okay. Okay, so you should have the root on the fourth. Okay, so 6, 2, 5, then the root on the fourth. Is it? Okay, so on the 6 now, just play a clustered chord here, which is the 7th chord. So just join it with this. Rootless, now don't forget the basis is playing the root. So rootless, then your chord 2 now, rootless also. So we play B, 7th chord here. So clustered chord, B flat, F, E flat, F sharp, B flat. Then your 5, you play E flat, E, G sharp, B and E flat. Then your 1, the common movement here, play B flat, C sharp, E and C sharp. Oh yep, and C sharp. I'm right. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so let's take it again. Okay, so that is it. So 6 to 5 1. The basis is playing. So that's how you do it. Okay, and the common movement also, the one I did on C the other time, let me do it on F sharp. So I play the roots now with my left hand. Sorry, oh god. Then so the first chord there, 6, still F sharp major 7th, C sharp, F, F sharp, B flat. Then 2, yeah, you play C, F, F sharp and B flat. So 2. Then 5, you play B, E flat, E and A flat. Then 1, you play B flat, C sharp, E and A flat. Then 4, you play B flat, C sharp, E flat and F. So let's take it again. So that is it. So that's 6 to 5 1 4. Okay, so that is it. Okay.